So, hello everyone. My name is Ayush, and today I am riding from Begu Road towards Koramangala. So, as you can see right in front of me, we have the Bomanhalli metro station, and I think I'll take the service road. Main road is jammed as usual. Uh, I thought of recording from the Begu Road itself, but it was all jam packed and there was nothing much to see. Coming to my bike, I am on my 2022 Apache RTR 200 4V, which I have driven close to about 26,000 kilometers. So let's go towards Koramangala. Lots and lots of traffic as usual. It's a pretty regular day in Bangalore with heavy traffic. Begu Road was completely jammed. Here I'm at least able to ride around 40 to 50, and it should take me another 5 to 10 minutes to reach Koramangala. I'll again see a lot of jam once this flyover gets over. What people call Madiwala, near Madiwala police station, I'll be seeing a lot of jam. So let's see. Yeah, so as I said, I'm not sure if my camera is able to capture everything from here, but till the place you see the signal, it is completely jam packed. So I think it's going to take me another 10 to 15 minutes to reach Koramangala. This person behind me wants to fly, is continuously honking. भाई को लगता है उड़ के जाना है. Let's see if we are able to pass or we have to wait. Signal is green as of now. So let's see if I have to wait or I am able to pass. Right side is red. I have to go straight. Let's see. Usually this area throughout the day it is packed. Only after 10:30, 11 o'clock is something what you will see that this area is a bit free, is a bit unjammed, unpacked. So most of you might be knowing this road, people who stay in Bangalore and around areas. I think there's an ambulance behind me. I will let the ambulance pass. Okay, let's pray whosoever is there in that ambulance, that person is safe. I won't pass below the ambulance. I mean, behind the ambulance. This I-20 guy, I think he was trying to cross, and then the signal came. He was trying to back up now. So this route goes to Koramangala. If you go left, you can reach BTM via Tavregere. Again, if you take right from here, you go straight and you take a left. You reach the fourth block of Koramangala, and from there you can connect to Sony Signal, and from Sony Signal you can basically go to Indranagar. So its signal is about to turn green. Yeah, here we go. Uh, so we have another signal just right in front of me. It is green as of now. But the thing with this signal is that it is a very short duration signal, which means yes, it changed to orange and it changed to red. So I will have to wait again. We have another third signal which is about to come up. So I think we'll have to wait about 30-40 seconds here. Should I try and filter? No, there's no use. There's vehicle everywhere. So that side, it's a green thing. So you can connect to Christ College from that side, Christ College, and if you want to go towards SG Pali, you can go from there. And if you want to go to Koramangala, you go straight. Yep. So signal has turned green. Have a lot of vehicles in front of me. Let those vehicles pass, and probably then I can move. This cab guy is not ready to move. I don't know why. Maybe he's not in a hurry. Hello everyone. So we just entered Koramangala. So I'll just take a round of this place, show you guys around. Most of you would have been here. If you live in Bangalore, definitely you would have been here. I have been staying in Bangalore since 2016, so almost 9 years for me. So let me go a few more turns and then probably I'll take a U-turn. I won't take a U-turn from here. I have the option to take a U-turn from here. I won't. Uh, this one has a lot of traffic, so again, I'm not turning here. So There's another turn which I'm aware of because I used to work nearby. So let's go there, take a turn, and once we take a turn, we go back towards home. So you will be seeing a lot of daily observation videos on my channel every day. So what I'm trying to do over here is that every day I'll try to target one particular area. Like today it's Koramangala. Tomorrow it could be Indranagar, MG Road, anywhere. So similarly, I'm going to do the same series for all the Indian cities. So right now I'm doing this for Bangalore. My aim is to go ahead and do it for the cities as well. Next would be Hyderabad. So for the next few days, you guys will be seeing a lot of areas of Bangalore on my channel, and then post that I have plans to go to Hyderabad towards the end of May. Once I go to Hyderabad, I will be showing you guys around Hyderabad, uh, and of course, there's going to be a long video which is going to be from Bangalore to Hyderabad on motorcycle. So I'm going to take my motorcycle from Bangalore to Hyderabad, and let's see how my 200cc works. I have done a lot of 400, 500, or let's say 600-kilometer runs on this. 600 when I say, I mean 300 up and 300 down. But Hyderabad is around 610 kilometers. The place where I have to go in Hyderabad from my home in Bangalore to Hyderabad, my friend's place, that's around 610 kilometers something one way. So I'll be seeing how my experience is, and everything that you will be seeing, that is going to be a first-hand experience of what I am facing, and how I take this long ride the first time. So a little bit of scuffle between that this auto guy and the old uncle who passed. Okay. I don't know if I should take a left turn or not. The left turn which I could have taken, that I left behind me. This is a no entry as far as I am aware of. So we have cops here. No, they are not trying to stop me. Alright, so on your left side you see Koramangala Social. This is people use this as a landmark. Then you have Fenny's. So actually, Fenny's was the first bar which I came to when I came to Bangalore. So Fenny's was there. I think Fenny's was first, and then we have a Gangotri bar, which is in BTM first stage. So that was probably my second bar here in Bangalore. But yeah, Fenny's was a very nice experience for me back then. It's been a couple of years since I last visited Fenny's. I don't know how is it now. How is the service? But yeah, that point of time, 2016, 2017, it was pretty good. So what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to take a left turn from here, and I'll follow almost the same route. I'll take the Madiwala Road, and from Madiwala Road I'll be connecting to the Begu Road, and from Begu Road I'll try to go home. So I'll meet you guys after the signal. So yep, I just crossed the signal, and here you go. I have another signal right in front of me. But yeah, here's a way to bypass. I won't bypass because the signal has turned green. I think on the left side of the road there is a lot of jam. I don't see much on this side. I see cops. The signal seems to be red, but people are crossing. So I think it is pretty much safe to cross. Alright, so we'll be going straight pretty much from the same route from where we came. So this is okay. The signal turned red again. I don't have to go left. If it was left, it is green for left, but red for straight. I'll stop on this signal. Again, I'm not expecting the signal to be too long. Should be around 30 seconds. So they used to have this time thing going on. It's not there anymore. I don't know why. So most of the signals in Bangalore. So the signal which I was expecting to be around 30 seconds, I had to wait there for 2 to 3 minutes. Again, I see some traffic. No, that's a truck stopping by, which I don't know why. Yep, there is traffic just near the underpass. So I believe I'll be seeing a lot of traffic from here till my place. So I think that would be it for today. I'll meet you guys tomorrow, either with a daily observation video or with a short video, or at least let's say a 1 minute video. Till then, goodbye.